Hi, my name is Olivia Martinez, and I'm the Children's Program Coordinator and Latinx Arts Community Leader here at Anderson Ranch Art Center. And today we're going to make a tissue paper flower. Now, this is a decorative art form from Mexico, which comes from cutting paper, which is a translation of papel picado. And so we are going to cut our own tissue paper flowers today. You need 4 things to make a tissue paper flower. You need scissors, a stapler, pipe cleaner, and some pre-cut tissue paper squares. For this example, I'm going to use about 4 tissue paper squares. I'm going to pick my colors here. You can use 3 to 4 or more if you want to try that. So I'm going to stack them on top of each other and align them as much as I can. And as you can see, they're not perfect, but that is all right. So now that we have them all stacked on top of each other, we are going to begin an accordion fold. We're going to fold our paper up and then flip it back and do it the other way. And we're going to keep doing this until we have a little paper accordion. And what I do is I kind of like to press it down each time I make a fold so that it stays in place, just like that. And as you can see, that's why we call it an accordion fold. After I have my accordion fold, I am going to take the stapler and I'm going to choose one of these pipe cleaners. Let's say I'm going to go for blue. I'm going to bring my pipe cleaner up to my tissue paper. I'm going to try to aim for the center because this will be the center of my flower. And I kind of want my stapler to go parallel with the paper. So I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to press it down. And there you have it. So now your pipe cleaner and your tissue paper are attached. After this, we are going to take our scissors, and you can do some other funky shapes to try it out, but for this example, I'm just going to do a curved edge. This means that my flower will have little curved petals. And what I want to do is I want to try to get as much paper as I can, and as you can see, these aren't perfectly stacked, so I'm going to go a little bit lower just so all of my pieces of paper have that curved edge. Start here. I'm going to curve just like that. Just like that. And pull apart the excess. Same thing I'm going to do here. As you can see, this is a little bit more stacked. I'm going to take my scissors. I'm going to go for that curve again. Okay. So now we have part of our flower. We have more petals. And so what we're going to do is we're going to fan out each side and go ahead and kind of fluff up each piece. Like that. And I kind of like to do one side at a time, so I'll just fluff up each individual piece. And remember, this is tissue paper, so we just have to be careful as we fluff it up. We don't want our flower to rip. And as we bring it up, you can start to notice it take that kind of flower shape. Same thing on this side. Just being gentle with my paper. And then there you have it. You have your tissue paper flower. Now there's a couple ways that you can wear this tissue paper flower. You can stick it in your hair, stick it in your shirt. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use another piece of pipe cleaner, twist it around, and make a little bracelet. And something that I really love about this project too is that you can personalize it in so many ways, from the choices of the tissue paper, the pipe cleaner, how you want to cut your petals, and then of course how you want to wear it. So I'm going to go ahead and just because I know that my wrist is pretty tiny, I'm just going to cut this. I'm going to take this And I'm going to wrap it around my wrist. Nice and snug on my wrist. And so this is just one way that you can wear it. And there you have your tissue paper flower. Now this is something that you can make at home with your family or join us for our Hispanic Heritage Celebration where we will be elaborating on this technique.